Good evening. Hi, my name is Sarah Simon, and today I will be talking to you guys about my PBL project that I did for APCSB. So in my program, I wanted to utilize coding craftsmanship to create a game that allows players to collect eggs in order to win a reward at the game. I did this by creating a game on Scratch, as seen in the picture here. My Scratch explores the principles of binary decision, variable declaration, data and control structures, selection, sequence, iteration, and user interface interaction. The binary feature is mainly seen in my if statements throughout my program. For example, I will program a character to catch the eggs if the background of the program changes to the castle. The variable declarations used in my program include strings, integers, and booleans. Other declarations such as false was not needed in my program. Data structure was used for organizing my program. These include lists, variables, and procedures. These were essential for the outcome of my program. Control structure helped the program run. For example, in my program, when the green flag is clicked, the whole program was executed. Selection and sequence iteration are the basic concepts of coding. Selection allows for the different codes to be run, while sequence allows it to run in order. For my ELA component, I did a journal, and this was because coding does take a lot of time, and so I thought it would be good to journal my process throughout my whole creating of my program. And so as you can see here, for week 1, I planned out my Scratch program, started to brainstorm some ideas, sketched out like what I would like the characters to look like. The second week, I designed the program, like outlined what my program would look like. And for my week 3, I made sure that everything, all the characters and details were in my program were the way I wanted them to be, and began to implement the mechanics of my game. My week 3, I started to play test like my game, and I saw that it was a little too easy, so I added a time frame in my program to make it a little more difficult for players. Week 5, I spent this week on focusing on the website that I wanted to create my document for. I started to add all my components needed, such as the ELA component. And for week 6, I was still working on my website, and I was just adding more content and refining the design. For week 7, I spent this week continuing to work on the game and website, and I made a couple of touches before I submitted my program. And for week 8, I spent this week to receive my peers' opinions on my project and what they thought of it. For my social studies component, I discussed how games such as Eggstravaganza has been booming in the industry, especially nowadays with the rise of technology. And some of these games include Angry Birds. Thank you so much.